Are you ready to see how to make healthy, easy blueberry muffins? You've come to the wrong channel today because I completely botched this recipe. They're still edible. I don't even know what I can call them. Not so muffins. What's up, guys? It's Marissa here, mom and founder of Noble Baby Wellness and a imperfect chef or baker in this case, because I tried to bake blueberry muffins and they did not come out any idea of how I pictured them to be. But the point of me posting this video is because I am not perfect. Nothing that I do, nothing that I create is perfect, and I don't want to be perfect. I don't strive for perfection. I actually strive for imperfection and imperfected action, if that makes sense. But I'm still learning. I'm still learning how to cook. I'm still learning how to bake. I'm not a professional by any means necessary, and you will see it in this video. Watch this video and see how I completely mess it up. If you like that I'm super honest and super transparent about how I'm not perfect, don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe down below where you can see more of my imperfected action. Wow, I can't even say that word properly either. And don't forget to hit the notification bell because you will miss those videos. And I do promise you that most of my recipes are amazing. Okay, check it out. super dense. They don't taste too bad. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like the video, share with anybody else who's still learning how to bake and cook. And that's pretty much it. See you guys.